It is now Saturday morning again. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog that I just put out. Sorry for the clickbait. I'm so tired and I'm so hungry and I haven't pooped in like 13 hours. But yeah, it's alright.
We don't even have groceries yet.
I know. You think I'm gonna go grocery shopping?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna go grocery shopping today, but I'm just
Right.
saying I'm really hungry. Like, I hate waking up and not having any food.
I ran out of Jewel pods. Well, almost.
You didn't run out. You have like 3 left.
No, I have 1 left.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Are you serious?
It's 2 on the way there.
I only got like 3 hours of sleep.
Well, once we were here.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. I fell asleep like around probably like 6. Woke up around. Don't have my watch on. Never mind. I don't know what time it is. I really don't care.
Like 10, like 11 something.
All right, guys. I'll catch you when we do something interesting.
Well, show them our pool first.
Okay. You can't really see because the screen's in the way.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, you can't really see. Well, it's like hard. Okay, there you go. But yeah. Look how fucking fancy that is. That's where the fucking mail goes. Look at that green grass, though.
It's not green. It's brown.
Bushes. Vehicles. Chelsea.
Stop. Stop.
Alright guys, we're back and we just got our showers done before we went out. We went to Cracker Barrel, got some breakfast.
It was so good.
It was very good.
But I had lunch. You had breakfast, so.
I had a little bit of everything because like no one could finish what they got.
I finished my burger. Are you kidding me?
No, I know, but like, well, her mom didn't finish what she had. I got like extra eggs and extra bacon and extra French toast. You know, and I'm kind of glad I did because what I had, like, it filled me up, but like, when I eat, I like to get stuffed, guys, so.
That's so awkward.
I'm a little on the heavier side now after that. But you know, it's alright. So now we're going on a walk. And we also went to Walmart and we got groceries. So we're all set for the week. What are we having tonight? Pizza?
Yeah, pizza.
Having pizza tonight, guys. So.
We're going out to dinner and lunch tomorrow.
Wait, guys. So for anyone, I'm gonna put this next clip in for it's.
Why are you walking so fast?
If you know, you know.
Oh, look at that.
Just know that. If you know, you know.
It's a donkey.
Shout out to Bree, Cameron, Jake, Joe, and Jordan.
Look at the turtle head.
You guys all know what the donkey is.
They just went under. I'm sorry.
What is it?
They're turtle heads. They just went under though.
Huh? Cute.
There are probably more turtles in that pond than this pond. And if you're wondering why I'm holding an umbrella, because we're afraid it's just like gonna start pouring, because there's kind of some dark clouds, but
Yeah.
I feel like it may pass over.
Yeah, because if you look farther back in the distance, like over there, it looks like it's going to start to clear up. This is Glenn Johnson with 13 Wham News.
Glenn Johnson.
Down here in Myrtle Beach. No, I'm the weatherman. I'll tell you the weather when that weather starts happening. Okay, so we're trying to pull in a gator right now because
I've seen gators in here and...
Oh, wait, peep the earrings that I got her.
Ah, don't. Be careful.
No, turn this way more. We went to Cracker Barrel and she wanted them, so, you know, have to spoil her sometimes. She got a little rat bun in her hair.
I don't see anything.
Guys, I'm never leaving this place, honestly. This is just so peaceful. Like, except for the sound of the expressway. Yeah.
Huh. I thought maybe...
I don't know, guys.
No, I'm not going crazy. Like, I've seen an 8-foot gator in this pond before, and there's signs everywhere that says, beware of gators, and we caught a gator before in this pond.
Yeah, how sketchy does this thing look, guys, though? Like how fucking... This thing's sketchy looking, honestly. Now you guys will understand the title of this video. Alright guys, so I just finished my face mask. It was horrible, sorry, it cut off. The camera died, so. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button. Also make sure you subscribe. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video coming out. And with that being said, this is the end of the vlog, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.